Hi, my name is Natalia Jolliff. I am a physical medicine and rehabilitation specialist. I've been in practice for over 18 years, and in that time, I have learned minimally invasive procedures that help a patient increase their function. My philosophy is to improve patients' quality of life by increasing patients' mobility, decreasing patients' pain, and improving patients' function. My goal is to achieve this through compassionate care, evidence-based care, using the latest technology. Procedures that avoid surgery, avoid oral medications, that are quick, easy, safe, and allow you to just go back to what it is that you like doing. For example, 10X is a procedure that I do. It is minimally invasive, no stitches. It removes diseased tissue from the tendons, and it takes away pain from shoulders, knees, feet, hips. Another procedure is Iovera, which basically freezes the nerve that causes the pain, and that allows patients to have immediate pain relief. I have done the best for my patient when they have returned to an activity that they enjoy, whether it's going back to playing tennis on a weekly basis or just enjoying their grandkids and playing with them without any pain.